This HTML document creates a visually rich, animated Christmas-themed scene by combining structured markup, advanced CSS styling, keyframe animations, and JavaScript-driven dynamic elements, starting with a full-screen layout where the body is styled as a flex container centered both horizontally and vertically, set against a dark radial gradient night sky background that enhances contrast and glow effects while hiding overflow to keep animations clean. The falling leaves effect is achieved through a .leaf class that uses a transparent PNG image as its background, positioned absolutely above the viewport and animated with two simultaneous CSS keyframe animations, fall, which moves each leaf vertically from the top of the screen to beyond the bottom while rotating it 360 degrees to simulate gravity, and spinning, and sway, which shifts the leaf horizontally back and forth to mimic wind motion, both running infinitely with randomized durations and delays applied via JavaScript to ensure natural variation. JavaScript dynamically generates 50 leaf elements, randomizing their size, horizontal position, fall speed, sway speed, and delay, then removes and recreates them after each fall cycle to maintain a continuous stream of leaves without memory buildup. The glowing Merry Christmas headline is created using the .neon text class, which applies large responsive typography using clamp, uppercase styling, letter spacing, and layered text shadow effects in cyan and blue tones to simulate neon lighting, enhanced further by a flicker keyframe animation that subtly varies opacity and glow intensity over time to mimic real neon sign behavior. Atmospheric sparkle particles are added through small sparkle divs generated via JavaScript, each styled as a tiny white circle that animates vertically from above the viewport to below it using the sparkle keyframes, scaling up slightly and fading with randomized speed, position, and opacity to create depth and a magical snowfall. Like Shimmer, a Santa chariot animation adds narrative motion to the scene, where the Santa container is absolutely positioned near the bottom of the screen and animated using the Move Santa keyframes to travel smoothly from off-screen right to far left in a continuous loop, carrying layered images of Santa and a waving flag that are positioned with inline styles for precise alignment and scale, giving the illusion of a festive procession moving across the night sky. All animations are set to run infinitely and independently, creating a layered parallax effect where text, leaves, sparkles, and Santa move at different speeds and directions, resulting in a lively, immersive holiday experience. Overall, this code demonstrates how CSS animations handle smooth visual motion efficiently, JavaScript adds randomness and lifecycle control for natural variation, and thoughtful use of glow effects, gradients, and layering transforms a simple web page into a dynamic Christmas greeting scene that feels animated, atmospheric, and celebratory without relying on external libraries. Thanks for watching. I hope you will support my channel.